Got demonetized, yo. How on earth am I gonna get this $100 in a year now? God. Yes, my channel just recently got demonetized because I don't meet the 4,000 subscribers. YouTube is now, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now, I'm most likely I have 1,000 watch hours. I don't know if it's you using your channel or your channel getting the views of 4,000. Can somebody clarify that? Because if it's you watching or using your channel, I use YouTube all the time, so I should be up there. Anyway, yeah, my channel just got demonetized. Barely have 200 subs, but this channel is growing slowly. I have a lot of content that I was supposed to post, but as of now, as you can see, I'm driving in the car right now. In the Uber project, I'm still in the Uber project. But because I lost my internet, that's another video. It's too much money for no reason. You have to change, you have to call somebody else, and the time it takes to remove. And you guys been through that before. You guys know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm uploading through my phone from now on until my appointment time comes in. And when that comes, then I post all my projects, the Uber project, the final balance for Uber, and everything that you guys want to know. I will post it, my earnings, everything, the links, everything will be there. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah, we will get monetized once again, because I have faith not only in me, but in you. Where's the camera? Oh yeah. I believe in you, man. I believe in the Wrenchettes nation. Well, anyway, I'm about to start blabbing off, so I don't want to blab on too much. This is como tal. I'm still alive. I'm still working. I'm still doing Uber. I'm still going to post my earnings. I'm still going to motivate you. Get money.